Meanwhile, Reggae Boyz interim assistant coach Miguel Coley says he's only focused on helping the team qualify for the FIFA World Cup when the playoffs are held this month in Mexico. Coley, who was appointed assistant coach to Rudolph Speed in November 2025, says he's not looking beyond what his contract currently stipulates.
In terms of any contractor details, I cannot really go into that. But the main idea and the main fact that I came here is to qualify the team for the World Cup.
This will be Coley's second stint as an assistant coach with the national team, and he says he's better prepared this time around.
The first time I would have been a very young coach. Now I'm more experienced. I think I can even offer more. The role would have been a bit different because Coach Schaefer was a manager and I would have been the coach for the team. Now I'm an assistant, coach. So I'm looking forward to, to work with the head coach. We're looking forward to work with the team and, putting my best foot forward.
Meanwhile, the Reggae Boyz are due to face New Caledonia on March 26 in Guadalajara, and Coley says they have been preparing for their Oceania opponents.
We have been analyzing them for a long time now. I think we have good enough information. I think tomorrow they will name their team, so we can really have a more concrete look on the team. But I think we have a good idea about North Carolina and what they have to offer, how to play them, and how to hopefully win that game.
Now, the winner of the contest between Jamaica and New Caledonia will play the Democratic Republic of Congo on March 31 for a place at the FIFA World Cup. The Reggae Boyz squad for the playoffs will be announced on Friday.